Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here at the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural face cleanser for acne-prone skin. Now let me show you just how easy it is to put together. Okay, so today we are making a face cleanser for acne-prone skin with all natural ingredients with known anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties to help calm the skin and minimize new flare-ups. I'll start by solubilizing some essential oils in some non-ionic surfactant. I'm using tea tree oil, which is effective against the bacteria involved in acne. It can also help with the control of sebum. I'm using it at a very low input as tea tree oil is quite a strong, distinct fragrance. And I'm just rounding that out with a touch of lavender oil, also at a low input. Lavender oil has both antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. And I'll mix some mixed tocopherol in with that as well, just to protect my essential oils from oxidation. Now I will mix my surfactants together. I have here some Cosmos approved anionic and amphoteric surfactants. The anionic surfactant is to gently cleanse impurities from the skin, and the amphoteric surfactant is to reduce the irritation potential on the skin. Once they are combined, I will gently add them to the solubilized essential oils. Once those surfactants are combined, I will gently add in the solubilized essential oils. To my water phase, I'll add some Pyro, which is a liquid pear extract full of antioxidants, and some Alpine Hellmore extract or dried pear extract, which will make my cleanser this fabulous charcoal colour. Alpine Hellmore extract is a water-soluble pear extract. This has some really great anti-acne in vivo efficacy data. Once the actives are combined, we can add that to the surfactants, just adding it slowly so that we don't introduce any bubbles into the surfactant mix. Now I'm just going to create a little slurry with some propanediol and some xanthan gum to increase the viscosity of my cleanser. Now it's really important that you combine the surfactants with the water phase before you add the gum in. Otherwise the gum will fully hydrate in the water phase and won't be able to take on any water from the surfactants, and you'll end up with this lumpy mess. So just make sure you're putting your formula together in the right order. Just pop in a preservative for microbial protection. And we can check and adjust the pH. Once you're happy with the pH, you can then pour that off. I'll just pour that into a clear container for you so you can see this amazing charcoal colour that we get from this surfactant. Now we have this amazing rich charcoal coloured natural anti-acne facial cleanser full of antibacterial, let's get a bit of water there, and anti-inflammatory ingredients to help soothe your skin and keep it clean, happy and healthy. See? And that's how easy it is to put together a natural face cleanser for acne-prone skin. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more formulas. Happy formulating!